Have you ever gone to send money with Zelle only to realize your recipient's phone number is outdated? It's an incredibly common, and potentially costly, mistake. Sending money to the wrong person on Zelle is a nightmare scenario, which is why knowing how to quickly and correctly manage your recipient list is so crucial. Today, we're going to walk you through the simple steps to either completely remove an old contact or update a recipient's details, ensuring your money always goes where it's supposed to. Let's start with removing a recipient. This is the best move if you're never going to send money to them again, or if their contact information is totally out of date and you want to start fresh. Because Zelle is integrated into hundreds of bank and credit union apps, the exact screen names might vary, but the process is fundamentally the same. First, you need to navigate to your Zelle area. Look for a section like Send Money with Zelle or Transfers and Payments within your bank's app or online portal. Once you're in the Zelle section, look for your recipient list. This might be called Contacts, Recipients, or Payees. Find the person you want to remove and tap on their name. This should take you to their contact details screen. Somewhere on this page, you'll see an option to edit or manage recipient. Click that. Now, you should see a Delete Recipient or Remove Contact button, usually highlighted in a different color or found at the very bottom of the page. Tap it, confirm your choice, and that contact will be gone from your list. It's a clean break. Next, let's look at updating a recipient. Maybe your friend got a new mobile number, but you don't want to re-enter all their details. The process starts exactly the same way. Navigate to your Zelle section, find your recipient list, and select the person you need to update. Again, click on the Edit Recipient or Manage option. On the Details screen, you should be able to simply tap on the old mobile number or email address. When you tap it, you can delete the old info and enter the new, correct information. This is a critical moment. Double-check and triple-check that new mobile number or email address. Remember, Zelle payments are fast and generally can't be canceled once sent to an enrolled user. Once you've made your change, hit Save or Update. Your contact is now fixed, and you can send money confidently. Keep in mind, Zelle contact info is linked directly to the recipient's bank enrollment. If you have any trouble updating their details, it's worth confirming with them what email or phone number they currently have enrolled with Zelle. This small step can save you a big headache. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.